Behind me I have something really special. It is our first GLS Maybach with the signature interior, this one in Carmine Red. Can't wait to show it to you. So let's start on the outside. We have an obsidian black GLS Maybach here, very classic metallic black. Now this is the post-refreshed Maybach, so it does have a lot of extra elements to the front, like the Maybach here in the lower part of the grille. We have our classic Maybach grille with vertical slats. And we had to go with the classic forged monoblock wheels in chrome. Now this one does have retractable running boards like all of the GLS Maybachs do. Because the car is locked right now, they are retracted, but when we go and get inside, they will open up. Have our Maybach emblem here on the C-pillar. Just a very classic single tone, but I want to show you the inside. This is where this car is very special because this is a new interior option. Here's our running boards as they come out. Love the Maybach emblem there. And we have our Maybach sill plate. But here is the Carmine Red, a beautiful dark red. Have our pillows here, which I'm a huge fan of, and this beautiful kind of burgundy red interior. I'll take you to the inside where we have this lovely two-tone steering wheel with our piano lacquer trim around the outside. Have our Maybach graphics in the center there. And I'm going to turn this car on, bring it to life. So you can see some nice touches like our ambient lighting, our Burmester 3D surround sound system where the ambient lighting will extend. And I'll take you to the back. This one has the 4-place seating. You're going to have your reclining seats with the leg rest there. The center console is equipped to carry your touchscreen display, which can interact with the rear seat entertainment. This one also has the refrigerated rear console there, and I'll show you that here shortly. And we've got the rear entertainment screen. So this one is really decked out for somebody to be driven in. It does have the leather stitched headliner, which is a very nice touch. And I love how the ambient lighting extends along the roof of the vehicle following the panoramic sunroof. Just a really, really nice touch. You can see the ambient lighting really extends all throughout the vehicle. Very customizable, lots of colors that you can choose to get it the way you want it. So inside the GLS Maybach is a really special place. This is the first time that you can get one with this lovely Carmine Red interior. And I think that it makes a big difference because for years now, we've really only had 3 choices. You've had a black interior, a mahogany interior, or the porcelain white interior, which has been very popular. But of course, there are some that argue that it is too difficult to keep clean, and it is hard to argue with that. But this red interior I love because it's a nice change up. It's really only available in a very few select models, and it's a darker red. Red pepper is what you most commonly will see, classic red. These are much brighter reds that are fun, but I would say a little bit less luxurious. This is a very luxurious red, kind of like a Barolo burgundy, just a dark red that I think has a very good luxury vibe to it. So let me take you into the back of the vehicle here for a moment. So this one does have the piano lacquer flowing lines wood trim all throughout, which I think is lovely. And as we mentioned before, we do have our rear entertainment screens here in the back of this Maybach, which allows for all kinds of entertainment, and you really can kind of immerse yourself back here as a passenger. In the back here, we do have our refrigerated rear console here. So this is our button to get refrigeration going. And this is opened up. You can see that it has room for 2 bottles back there. And it also has the champagne flute holder here. Now, contrary to popular belief, the vehicle doesn't come with champagne flutes. It just comes with the space to hold them, but they can be added. So a really lovely spec overall. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the interior? Are you here for it? Or do you think that it doesn't match the vibe of the car? Either way, I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Doug Horner with Benzes and Bowties. Like and follow for more content like this.